Finally, I'm pumped, y'all. It's finally here, our very first Covert edition Ford Expedition right here at Aikens Ford in Winder, Georgia, customized by us, Wild Willie's. And you see the colors behind me. You know I'm representing today too, because it's our Redline Covert. We went straight to the Redline Covert, not just the original Covert, but straight to Redline for our very first ever. And I'm just saying that probably a dog fan's gonna buy this, or Falcons fan, or yada yada yada. So many red and black combos. Love this. You're gonna want to stick around for this one. Let's go. 2021 Aikens Ford Expedition XLT, a gate black 4x4. Yeah, that's right, 4-wheel drive Redline Covert edition. Because if we didn't do a 4-wheel drive on this, then that would just be kind of crazy. Because going elevated on the Expedition, yeah, you can do it for the looks. There's nothing wrong with that, but we wanted to essentially make this a more capable and much better looking vehicle, a true signature custom right here, our very first ever at Wild Willie's Aikens, y'all. So look at this stance. So essentially completely changed. I mean, look at normal Expeditions here. I mean, they are phenomenal vehicles. We own one in our household as well. They are some of the best riding vehicles. We didn't want to mess with that. So this one is all there from a ride quality standpoint and appeal looks, in my opinion, y'all. So the red theme may be too much for some people, but I know it's going to be just right for a lot of people as well. So Redline, here we go. Let's go up front. So we did Redline custom paint job up front. So essentially your whole entire grille surround piece, top, bottom, and center was chrome. You had chrome in the headlights. You had chrome on the tow hook. So we were obviously painted that race red with a gate black to match. Look at all that flake in there, just popping. Love the center bar throughout the center stack. And then in these headlights. So y'all, the headlights are probably the most, I guess, iffy component of this because of how much red we have in the headlight, but we wanted to make a statement with this one. Your signature lighting is body color red, and then look in the headlight, Redline. Y'all see that? How cool is that? And then both your bezels around your headlights, high beam and low beam, are red also. To get the true package, we had to do the border trim on the window seal up top all the way around to really cap off this. That's another component talking about up here that is iffy. You know, we could have not done as much red in the headlight or not done that piece up there and it still would have worked, but we wanted to make a statement to show that we are trying to push the envelope on customizations to the next level and doing things that we, you know, most may be scared to do, but we ain't scared. So lift wise, we're on a 3-inch ready lift kit. It's a 3-inch kit up front and a 2-inch in the back to get a truly nice leveled stance. We're 285, 65, 20, which equates to a 34.8 by 11.6. So in the ridge grappler, we chose this tire. We wanted to go more aggressive, but said let's go with the ridge grappler because we want to make sure that it sells first and foremost, and we want it to be a great driving vehicle, not sacrificing ride quality at all. So some of your component, it's a spacer kit up top as well as the rear, independent suspension in the rear, a great system. You really got to dive in and see how the independent rear is set up, and it's a great lot of engineering involved. It reminds me a lot of the Mustang rear end setup with the IRS. Just love it. Now this one also had factory running boards, which were awful, so we had to take those away and do amp power boards. Great addition. Inside we did some nice red accents to truly tie it all together with some red throughout. Now this is an XLT, so it's a properly equipped, being a 4-wheel drive first and foremost, and it has black leather from the factory. Also has sunroof, blind spot monitor. There's your different drive modes there, dual climate control, adaptive cruise control as well, captain chairs in the second row. So, you know, not just a slouch as far as a base vehicle. You're getting all that you would possibly need or look for in an Expedition for the masses with that Covert package. So basically you're in the platinum price point range, but you're true one-off, not a vehicle that everybody else has, Redline Covert. So truly something awesome, y'all. Love the lifted look on here. Now coming around back, this center bar here too was chrome. Got rid of it, did a custom emblem as well as the Expedition Race Red, and looks so phenomenal. Now these tail lights too, the tail lights. So basically, to keep things legal, we left everything that lights up. The illumination part is left there, as well as the reflective portion, but did a gate black on the headlight. What a great looking tail light to me. Let me know what you think about that. Really cleans it up nicely. If that was not done, it would be too much red on this rear section, in my opinion. So let me know what you think about that. Now, talking about amenities, you got tow hitch as well. You got power tailgate. You got power folding third row. There's your buttons there. So no slouch when it comes to amenities. And again, the four-wheel drive, y'all. The four-wheel drive is what makes it a home run. You don't see as many four-wheel drive Expeditions out on the market. So once we got this one, I wanted to do this in 2020. Not gonna lie, I had, and while we're talking about that, what's coming up is Overland Expeditions, and we got to do one with some 24s, y'all. So we're going to dive more into the Expeditions. I'm not trying to tell all of our secrets, but Expedition needs some more attention because they're phenomenal vehicles. So now let's take a look at our window sticker info. And window sticker time, y'all. So 2021 Expedition XLT 4x4. Had to do a 4x4 to make it a true, legit Redline Covert, lifted like we love to do here, y'all. Pause here to see all the specs on this particular vehicle. And over here is your Wild Willys custom Redline Covert Edition, first one ever. So proud, y'all. Check out all the options we added here. And then again, just so many great features that are already come standard. So essentially, the moral of the story is, if you're a South Carolina Gamecock or a Alabama Crimson Tide fan, or a Clemson Tiger, or you get what I'm trying to say, you're just out of luck. I know you're not going to buy this vehicle, and I guess we're okay with that, kind of, sort of. just playing, y'all. You know, we love the rivalry. We love the rivalries that we got going on, but we're definitely, majority of us are dogs here. Got some Florida Gators infiltrating our dealership. We got some Bama fans as well, but for the most part, y'all, red and black is prevalent all throughout this area, high school wise and everything. So Redline Coverts have been great on our F-150 vehicles, and I'm saying a week. I'm about to go on vacation. I'm saying when I get back, this won't be here because it's phenomenal from a price point and value standpoint. So I hope you've enjoyed this review today, y'all. Hit that subscribe button. I need to know in the comments what you think about this vehicle. Do you want us to do more covert action on Expeditions? Do you want us to do, I want to do a Stormtrooper. The wife wants a Stormtrooper, something serious on Expedition Platinum, y'all. So let me know what you think about that and all that and more. Akins and Wild Willys, peace.